Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today we are going to review on angles. Remember this week we learned about linear equations and we did some exercises on linear equations. Equations are so important because in everyday life we use equations. Your computer is a set of equations. Um, an airplane is a set of equations. Even this marker is a set of equations. So equations are important, and as you're growing, you will learn more applications and more functions of equations in real life. So let's review about angles. Angles are spaces made by the intersection of two rays, and we learned the related angles. And today we're gonna learn some facts about angles. You already know this. We're gonna review the angles around that point. When you have angles around a point, the sum of those angles is always 360. So keep this in mind. When you have equations, you have a problem with angles around a point, the sum is always 360 degrees. Now, the angles on a straight line. When you have a straight line, then angles on top of that straight line. Like here, you have this straight line, and there are two angles. And these two angles make a square corner each. Therefore, there are 9-degree angles. And 9-degree angles are right angles. So when you add the two of them, the sum is 180 degrees. That's the sum of the angles on a straight line, or the angles in a straight angle. So let's move on to the second problem. When you have other problem, you have two angles which are equal. They are different in size, but still they are on a straight line. So the sum of those two angles is 180 degrees. And here you have more than just two angles. You can have four, you can have five, you can have six. It doesn't matter. But still they are on a straight line, and the sum is 180 degrees. So when you take A plus B plus C plus D, the answer is 180 degrees. So the sum of the angles on a straight line is always 180 degrees. Keep this in mind. And let's try and move on to the complementary angles. The complementary angles are the angles in a square corner. Whenever you have a square corner, the angles inside should always amount to 90 degrees because they are right, and they make a right angle, and they are complementary. So complementary angles add up to 90 degrees, and supplementary angles, or angles on straight line, add up to 180. So this is the additions of angles that you need to learn forever. These are called angles facts. And so now if you come over here to this point 4, you have vertical angles or vertically opposed angles. These are angles which are made by two intersecting lines. When two lines intersect each other, they make four angles, and the sum of those four angles is 360 degrees. You see, it's like the angles around the points. If you look carefully, it looks pretty much like that one. The angles around the point. Yes, because they're also around the point. There's a point in the middle, and then there are angles all around here. So there are angles around the point, but the difference is in the vertically opposed angles. These opposed angles are equal. A and C are equal, and B and D are equal. A and C are equal in size, and uh, B and D are equal in size. If I say, for as an example, that this is 40 degrees, A is equal to 40 degrees, then C is equal to 40 degrees. And if I say this is B is equal to 102 and 140, 140 degrees, that's B. Therefore, D will be 140 degrees because B and D are always equal. And then when you add all these numbers, the answer is 360. Because at the top here, when you add 4 plus 140 is equal to 180. Then here, 140 plus 40 is equal to 180. 180 plus 180 is 360. This is how you solve angles, um, related angles. and keep the facts in mind. Now I'm going to make another video with the questions that you'll be doing for today's practice, and you will draw the questions in your notebook and solve them using the equations. Um, Using the equations the way we did it in classroom. Should you have any questions, call me so we can discuss it together. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.